the gateway to meaningful connections. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, is an essential facet of emotional intelligence. It requires us to step into someone else's shoes and view the world from their perspective. Empathy fosters genuine connections by acknowledging and validating the emotions of others, making them feel seen and heard. Practicing empathy involves active listening, observing nonverbal cues, and being attuned to the emotional context of a situation. When we empathize, we establish rapport, build trust, and demonstrate compassion. This enhances our communication skills and enables us to navigate conflicts with sensitivity and tact, ultimately strengthening our relationships.